Top 5 Python Libraries for Deep Learning. Hi everybody, if you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. The Deep Learning DL field is still at a highly experimental stage. That's the reason there are so many DL libraries. These libraries are typically a side product of someone's personal research. The main problem is DL algorithms are not so general. When compared to other algorithms, you can't apply them to many different problems. For instance, you can apply algorithms such as SVMs, random forests, logistic regression, etc. to resolve many different problems. But DL algorithms are different. You can only apply them to resolve specific problems. In this short video, I'm going to discuss the top 5 Python libraries for deep learning. Number 1. Lasagna. Lasagna, a work-under-progress lightweight library, is used to build and train neural networks in Theano. This DL library leverages a Python interface and supports architectures that consist of multiple inputs and outputs. Lasagna is a great option for the definition, evaluation, and optimization of mathematical expressions. Lasagna performs all the functions that Theano does, with the added advantage of the execution of user-friendly layering functions. This library lends support to feed-forward networks such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Lasagna is renowned for its simplicity. This easy-to-understand library is easy to use and easy to extend. These features facilitate its use in research. The improved focus of Lasagna helps you to do one thing really well. This library is more suited for deep learning because it offers you abstractions on top of Theano. Number 2. MXNET. MXNET, introduced by Apache Foundation, is an open-source DL library. This fast, flexible, and scalable deep learning library has support in many programming languages, such as Python, Julia, C++, Java, JavaScript, Go, MATLAB, R, Perl, and Scala. Wolfram Research, Microsoft, Baidu, Carnegie Mellon, Intel, MIT, Amazon, and the University of Washington use and support MXNET. It's true that several renowned institutions and tech organizations support the MXNET project, but community support for MXNET is quite limited. Hence, it's not as popular as Keras, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. The main feature of MXNET is developers can exploit the complete capabilities of GPUs and cloud computing. This deep learning library has been designed for better efficiency and greater flexibility. This portable and lightweight library enables you to mix symbolic and imperative programming. In the process, you can also maximize efficiency and productivity. Number 3. FastAI. FastAI is a deep learning library that aims to make AI simpler. This library offers you high-level components for achieving impressive results easily and quickly. It also offers low-level components that you can pair and match for building new machine learning approaches. Jeremy Howard and Rachel Thomas, employees of the University of San Francisco, created FastAI in 2017. The main purpose of the creation of this library was to make AI accessible to all. People from different backgrounds other than scientists and deep learning experts can use this library easily. This fast-growing deep learning library supports the latest two-way callback system. This new system is capable of accessing as well as changing any part of the available data, optimizer, or data even when on training. FastAI comes with yet another innovative feature, an extensible computer vision library. Number 4. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, or CNTK, was previously known as the Computational Network Toolkit. This free, open-source, easy-to-use, commercial-grade library enables you to train DL algorithms to learn just like the human brain. Since this deep learning library supports the ONNX format, you can move machine learning models seamlessly between MXNET, PyTorch, Caffe2, this library, and other DL platforms. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit supports an assortment of features and is highly suitable for research in speech and language classification. CNTK is designed for speed and efficiency. This library also scales very well in production using GPUs. You can call the framework functions of this library using C++ and Python. The only downside of this library is that its support from the community is limited. Number 5. PyTorch Lightning. The complexity, as well as the scale of deep learning, has been evolving rapidly. This has resulted in software and hardware becoming redundant much faster. It's not possible to deploy complex models on the older versions. However, PyTorch Lightning, the latest version of PyTorch, is an open-source library with supplementary features that enable users to deploy complex models. The main goal of this library is to allow specialist researchers to try the most difficult ideas on the largest computing resources without compromising on flexibility. PyTorch Lightning enables you to put complex models into production. We have a detailed course on the AI Sciences platform that covers deep learning. We also have a short course on deep learning for beginners. Name of the course: Deep Learning for Beginners, 23 lessons. This basic deep learning course covers the essential elements of deep learning. Name of the second course: Deep Learning ANN Artificial Neural Networks with Python, 70 lessons. This Learning by Doing course covers ANNs with Python in great detail. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a data scientist, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and deep learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.